Are you searching for the best lighter for bulbs? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best lighter for bulbs. We recommended the top 5 best lighters for bulbs in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best lighter for bulbs, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Zippo Chrome Lighters. This lighter is completely windproof with consistently framed, classy matte chrome and engraved style design and can last forever. Switching out wicks and fins is easy. Long-time Zippo users love these lighters for their distinctive click. Choose from several classy features like a matte of chrome or more engraved look. This requires Zippo lighter fuel. Unfortunately, it does not come with the lighter when you purchase it, but you can order Zippo fuel online. Number 2. Tesla Coil Lighter USB Rechargeable Arc Lighter. It's windproof, has a cupboard, has dual arc and looks absolutely gorgeous. If you are planning on lighting up a bunt with a few friends, this is for you. It is also avoid the lighter fluid test and you would not need to worry about it going out if it's windy. Since there is no flame, there is no way to heat the area up end. You will have a full of section on it below. It removes any nasty taste, lasts for a while and it is super cheap. Beyond that though, it is extremely easy to use since there does not need to be any surface on surface contact for this to light up. They can put the turn off mechanism anywhere they want. It will take a time for to figure out how long you will need to leave it or so be prepared for a bit of ashes in the beginning. Once you get past that, your wick should be 100% natural, unburnt and unqualified. Number 3. Vertigo by Lotus Cyclone Triple Torch Cigar Lighter. Vertigo Cyclone Coracle and Brushed Chrome Triple Flame Torch Lighter sold by Vertigo Perfumes. The Vertigo Cyclone has constantly rated 4 stars and above and comes in at a very respectable price point. Build quality is excellent and very few faulty items have been reported. This torch lighter can be burned through most galvanized extract with little effort. Refillable and easy to operate as well as full tank of ladyberry. The lighter is excellent everyday or backup lighter that should let you be down. Be aware though, the lighter can become hot with extended use. All in all, you can do much worse than option for the lighter when needing a portable, easy to use the lighter and the purchase of a strong flame. Number 4. Bic Lighter Classic Bulk Packaging. The best lighter for woods is a simple Bic lighter. While the packaging and colors may vary with these lighters and brand itself is extremely dependable. This lighter does not just sell their lighters in a pack. They sell many lighters on their own and some of them come with different and interesting design. These lighters are made either in the USA or France, so a lot of controls goes into the production of the product. First and foremost, it comes with feature to make it safe around children. Small fingers are not likely to operate the control of these lighters, so an accidental fire is not likely to be started by children. You need to keep a close eyes around children when one of these lighters is present. Bic also provides extra long-lasting quality with this lighter. Number 5. Shondico Button Torch. It is perfect if you love dabbing cannabis concentrates. Lights easily in the wind and includes the safety features to prevent accidental ignitions. This torch stand but because it heavy duty and durable. If you are going to be dabbing cannabis concentrates like oil, wax, resin or shutter, you need a torch. The button torch is critical elements on any dab set. You cannot dab with normal lighters because they are not hot enough. This is large and most affordable, the most compatible dab torches. It is perfect for heating up and quarters dab, nail or bangers.